Welcome to Exhibits Today. This is Miss Anne and we are here live at the SMX Convention Center for the IIEE Annual National Convention and 3D Expo 2023. And kasama natin one of their exhibitor, Montrelec, with their product specialist, Mr. Val Firis Domingo. Magandang araw sa iyo, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ayan. Sir Val, brief info. Ano ba ang Montrelec?
Okay. So, Montrelec is a electrical supplier. We have over 20 years of experience, especially in the medium voltage and low voltage systems. And we have our main office at Quezon City. And we have warehouses in Quezon City also and Bulacan.
Okay, Sir Val, nandito tayo sa IIEE. So, ano yung mga product lines ng Montrelec?
Yeah, okay, thank you for that. So, ang mga products namin ranges from the first private pole products down to the low voltage products. So, it includes the medium voltage switchgear components from the load break switch, power fuse, anything from the medium voltage switchgear we can supply and we can cater for that requirement.
Okay, pwede mo bang i-demo sa atin? Dala-dala nyo yung mga products nyo here at IIEE so makita natin kung ano ang mga ginadala ng Montrelec.
Yes, ma'am, of course. Okay.
Please.
So, as you can see here, so this is our SF6 insulated load break switch. So, we use this product for the first private pole. Okay. Then, on my right, so this is our gas insulated switchgear. So, from Ecos Electric. So, this is from 36 kV. System voltage, okay. So also from here, you can see our metal clad switch gears. So we use this for 17.5 kV systems and below, okay. So as you can see, these products are coming from European countries, Turkey, Italy, Spain. So we are the direct importers of this product and we are the exclusive distributor of these products. So this is also one of our product, the SF6 insulated outdoor load break switch. Okay? So this is the transfer switch. Okay? So dito naman makikita natin ang isang mga products na kinikere namin for the low voltage products, mga panel accessories. Okay? So we can supply a whole switch gears or we can supply components for the switch gear. Okay? So, also these products, so we have a recloser. This is used also for the main protection, pang first private pole, and also protection sa mga transformers natin. Okay? Also, on the right, that's the indoor load break switch naman, na ginagamit din as transformer protection. So, this is a fusible disconnect switch type. Okay. So, as we go along, sa area naman na to, nandito yung mga products namin for the low voltage system. Okay? So, dito, yung mga products namin are for the control parts. Okay? So, we have mga panel switches, pilot lights, pilot lamps, okay? Buzzers, okay? Then, nandito naman yung mga ginagamit namin for automatic transfer switches. Okay, pang mga genset synchro controller, fire pump controller, okay, ATS controller. Okay. So, this assembly, ito yung ATS controller. So, this is used para pang transfer mula normal power to genset power. Okay? So, we can supply the breaker for panel builders and we can supply a whole assembly naman para sa mga end users and contractors. Okay? So, ito yung product namin dito for the low voltage din. So, ito yung mga breakers. Then, on this side, this is the brand or product na partner na kinikere namin for the instrument transformers na ginagamit siya sa mga electric cooperatives. Okay? So, ang target market namin for this IIEE event are the end users, the contractors, those who are involved in data centers, and also the panel builders.
Ayan, Sir. Sir Val, maraming salamat. Ano, full range of products from Montrelec. At syempre, Sir Val, meron tayong website na pwedeng ibigay sa ating mga viewers.
Yes, okay. You can visit us at www.montrelec.com.ph. You can also visit our YouTube channel, www.youtube.montrelec.com. Then you can also visit, like, and share our Facebook page, Montrelec Incorporated.
Okay, Sir Val, tingnan natin. Ano ba ang kinonvey na message ng Montrelec dito sa IIEE? Na-convey ba maigi ng inyong booth ang message na gustong dalhin ng Montrelec dito sa ating...
Yeah, so far, yes, I can say that we have conveyed our main company message that quality products does not come only from world-renowned companies.
And would you want to thank your contractor?
Yeah, we would like to thank all of our partners. I can't name them all, but we are very thankful for them to support also sa mga clients na kumukuha sa amin, na customers namin na patuloy nagtitiwala sa produkto at sa serbisyo ni Montrelec.
At syempre, ang gumawa ng booth ninyo.
And of course, thank you very much sa Binu, Swedish Design, sa pag-design ng napakaganda naming booth and sa support nila all throughout this IIE event.
Okay, so maraming salamat, Sir Val. At syempre, meron pa tayong hanggang December 2 rito, invite mo ang inyong mga pwedeng maging would-be clients and partners.
So, iniimbitahan ko ang lahat ng nakakapanood nito sa booth namin dito sa IIE event Hall 1. Madali nyo naman kaming makikita. So, visit us and we would like to welcome you here dito sa booth namin sa IIE event.
Again, thank you, Sir Val. And this is again, Miss Ann. Nagpapasalamat tayo sa ating major sponsors, Binyo Designs and Swedish Designs, na gumawa ng magagandang booth here at SMX at IIEE. At syempre sa ating executive producer, Mr. Rick Angeles. Mr. Michael Albania of SMX Convention Center, maraming salamat po sa laging suporta sa ating mga organizers. And of course, from Montrelec and Exhibits Today, God bless us all.
Thank you.